For this, it's also no color difference, no CCT change. And we use it, no need any special and professional installation. Everyone can do it. Now we want to show you how to make it. We can try it from a COB LED strip. For example, this is 6 mm COB LED strips. We'll choose one from this is 6 mm PCB. Okay, first we will cut it. Okay, cut it, and then we put this part with a sharp metal upward, and then put the strip inside. Okay, inside, and this one also inside. Okay, so use this one to click it. Okay, connect it. Two sides connect it. Okay, this is for 6 mm PCB. We also can try from the 10 mm PCB. Okay, this is for strip to strip side. Now we'll try this part with the cable. Cable we design it with the cable with a short PCB on one side. So we use this one. Okay, and then put this one inside. Just to click it. Okay, now we'll try this one. It's very strong. Yeah, light it on. Okay, so this part, we can see this part is seamless. And also we can see this part is almost seamless. All transparent, no darkness and no color shift.